Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. I just want to share the very important information to all traders as we are ending this year. Remember, we still have ongoing offer that you are supposed to take this golden opportunity to give yourself or to gift yourself with this TFX system in this festive season, because we are offering a more than 50% of our system, and this is just to remind you that we still have ongoing Christmas offer. It is not for Christian, it is for all traders, whether you are Muslim, Hindus. We remember in this December season, we have a lot of celebration all over. We have Eid, we have Christmas, we have blah, 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 blah. So take this opportunity as a trader. Just let me take you a few seconds to explain this again. 350, it's for the EA for either for MT4 or MT5. Get any of the MT4 or MT5 EA at $350, and always remember that our normal price is $600. The manual system is going, get any manual system of MT4 or MT5 just with $270. We give the normal price is $449. And here, this is where we are now, because a lot of traders here, they want to be independent trader or full-time traders. In this video, I just want to share a very good information for traders about our manual system and how simple and easy it is. The second one, it is $500 for 2 license or get 2 EAs. 2 EA, you can get 2 EAs with only $500. And remember, 2 EAs, the normal price is $1,200. Then you get 2 EA. But for this festive season, we are giving 2 EAs or 2 license with just $500. Again, let us go any EA for MT4 MT5 plus manual system of your choice. You can get EA for MT4 or EA for MT5 and get the manual for MT4 or MT5. We say the manual of your choice and the EA of your choice. Any EA for of MT4 or for MT5 with just 420, and you'll be given manual system for free. It is very simple. Let me not take much time for explaining this, because it's already on our Telegram. If you are watching this video from our YouTube channel, make sure in our description you get the link. Follow us on our Telegram, and then you'll be seeing even the result that we share there each and every day, the result that shows how we trade. And now let us jump one by one now to our system here, and I just want to explain why we took this boom 1000. And before we get there, I just want to make things easier to all traders. This is not just a system that you are following only because the indicator has told you to, or it has indicated sell or buy. We'll be giving free courses to all our VIP how to trade manually, because we believe there is more money, more than enough in Forex market, so we can share, we can employ ourselves, we can bank this money each and every day without being greedy. We can employ ourselves with any salary we want, as long as we will be obeying and respecting the rules of the system, and also respecting the rules of our strategies, because we'll be giving a free course. All you need, it is to have any of our system, whether it is EA or manual. Trust me, we will be sharing all courses free of charge on our VIP to train people on how to trade. Expect the free courses from next week. Next week we'll be having, and we're still planning when we'll be having a Zoom meeting or live trading. But for now, we'll be offering free courses to all our client, especially those people who have our manual system. So I will urge every client, even if you have the EA, please get get our manual system this time because it is with a good offer, $227, and you get manual system for MT4 or MT5. The good thing, our strategy works in both platforms. The same strategy, it works perfectly in MT4 and MT5. So there is nothing to worry. If you love trading in dairy for in MT5, then don't worry. We have the system and we have the strategy of how to bank this market beyond SMC and ICT trading. So let me show you a good example because we stick in 4 hours time frame, but sure, in our classes I will show you how you are supposed to do it professionally in any of the time frame. But for now, I just want to show people, and I do believe that the SMC traders and ICT, they are watching still this video and they will see actually this system, it's so simple. But let me analyze this one before we jump to analyze other systems, so that I can give at least a hint of what we read or of how we read the market. And we thank God, the same thing we can be able now to set them on our EA to make things easier and to bank money. This is 4 hours and this is boom 1000. And as you can see, I said with our system, either for MT4 or MT5, you can do scalping. This is unbelievable for those people who thinks that they can only do scalping in small time frame. Let me ask you this question: why confirming a big time frame? Because you want to have the confidence with your free time small time frame. But how many times have you ever failed, even after following the rules of maybe your strategy, blah, 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 blah? Why have you have never, a lot of people have never made this. I don't know whether it is greediness or whatever, but that is up to you. But this time, TFX company, we have given ourselves to people so that we can train you guys how to make this money. Let me show you how simple the system is when it comes to do scalping. As you can see, our trade line, it is at this point. You can see it was showing a buy, and we have our dotted indicator here that was saying it is a sell thing, not a buy, a sell thing. This was a buy, but from this time, market closed below our trend line here, and we have an indicator that's showing us here, this dotted, that it is a strong sell. Then we sell from this point. And this is where now I want you to see, we did sell only because these indicators are confirmed, because the indicator should confirm your strategy. Get this in your mind. This is why our system now has become beyond a system, because it will be a system that confirms your strategy. This is why, because we don't know your strategy. We don't know how many times you have failed with your strategy. Even if you have been buying the system outside there, even if you bought even our system and you failed, now we want to train you of how the system will be confirming your strategy. And the strategy will be given for free on our VIP as long as you have any of our system. This is the best of the best thing. And this is why I'm saying, people, get our manual system, because our manual system will be confirming our strategy. So let me give our YouTube viewers here a hint of what our strategy is. Our strategy is beyond SMC, it is beyond ICT. Whatever they will call advanced, whatever they will say, something that no one will have ever shared with you. No, we are not trapping people to watch the video. All we want to see, watch the video and see if we know what we are doing. And our system, whether it is EA, whether it is our manual, will be confirming our strategy as a TFX company. It is time to bank. Now, let me show you why we sell this. Previously, or whoever using the EA there, the manual system from wherever you bought, any indicators there, when people talk, it's very easy just to confirm this. When you see this sell, when you see this buy, and after doing all those things, you still lose your money. But let me give you how to confirm our strategy now. And I will take you to trading view right now so that we can analyze more about the market. Now you can see there is a history here. Here it's where we sell our market. And then our TP was at this point. Let me show you. Our TP was at this point. You can see where this line is, you know. You can see where this dotted is. This is where our TP was. The reason why we sell this market, you can see it is far from where our indicators is. But after confirming our POI, because this is our POI zones or the POI for traders, a lot of traders, we didn't sell because the market touched our POI and the market has shown the sell. No, we wanted market to break internal structure here. We wanted market to break this internal structure and to close below, and the candle to close below our previous, because this is our previous inducement, because some call this internal structure, some call inducement. So we wanted market to break this inducement. After breaking this inducement and close with this doji below our breakout candle here, we sell with this next, and we set our TP here. Why did we set our TP here? Because on our left here, we also have a consolidation here, which confirms order flow. You know, some people don't understand how the order flow form, and we will training you this on our group. So here you can see there is a consolidation which was forming an order flow. So that's why we knew this market will come to this point before thinking whether it will go up and it will go down. Only with one trade, you can see we have $24, period. And you can see this, the stop loss was, we put our stop loss at this area to make sure that now we are safe be above this line. We are safe above our trade line, then we are safe. That tells us we hit the TP, we enter that market, not because of only this confirmation, because somehow, oh, it was later, I entered this here. No, you can enter here after if the indicators, they have confirmed your strategy, not just entering the market blindly only because the indicators has confirmed. This is why we as a TFX, we have decided to give you a free course of how to trade, so that any of you, the indicator, any of the system, either for Nairobi MT4 or MT5, will be confirming our strategy before you enter into the market. Let us go now to trading view. Yeah. Let us analyze the this is V75. Let me analyze this V75 to confirm our strategy, how simple it is, but we will be training you guys step by step. Now, if you can watch on this my screen here, you can't tell where this market is going. All right, guys, you can't tell this market where it's going, because all these from this area, people can tell you that this market is ranging until the market broke this area. And again, if you can watch this again, you will also see again the market is consolidating. And this is V75. The market is consolidating, it's playing in one area. And when you come to this area, again, you can still see the market, it is still consolidating. But there is a movement in this market, all right? There is still a movement in this market, and we don't want to gamble. But you can't tell whether this one, oh, this is a downtrend, because no. Don't just use your eyes, because it is good, it is easy to read the history and say this is a downtrend. It is easy to read the history and say this is a consolidating market. It is easy in the market to say this is a wedge pattern, this is a bear and bullish flag, this is blah, 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 this is blah, blah. It is very easy to see this is a doji, this is a golfing, this is all those stuffs, they are there. People have took time to read them, to see them, but in history. But when it comes to practical, the things are different. the things are different. You are still not making money, even if you know to read the market, even if you know the candlesticks, even if you know drawing, blah, 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 you still don't make market. Let me make things easier for you. In this market, I can see higher lows, lower highs, higher highs, and lower low. I can see them here. In the same market, we can see internal structures, what we call here medium structure, and we also have engineer liquidity, and we also have extreme liquidity or extreme structure. All this, it's in Forex market, people with different names, but sometimes fail to work or to combine what you are supposed to be trading. A lot of people, they after reading the history, they can say now this is when there will be a choke here, because choke is the change of character, because the market has reached to our extreme, because this is our extreme. So you will hear this, the break of first inducement, that is a choke or the change of character. Some will tell you when the market will, let me put this, when the market will break the previous, let's say lower high, like here, if the market break this, our previous lower high, again, it is known as a choke or the change of character. So there is a lot of strategies, there is a lot of stories, there is a lot of experience there in the market, and everyone wants to confirm that his strategy is working. But when you try to practice, you fail. Not that maybe there is something you're feeling or there is something they're not telling you. All right, guys. Now, let me show you in a very simplest way how we do things or how we are confirming the market. Number one, I do believe this one will surprise many. Number one, we don't want to know where the market is going, whether it is a bullish market, whether it is a bearish market, because some will tell you confirm from minute 15, then enter into minute 1, confirm in 1 hour, then enter into minute 5, confirm to 4 hours, then enter market into minute 15, and wait the BOS, the break of structure, then wait the market to reverse to your entry point, to your zone, then enter the market. SMC, draw your order blocks, then enter the market. And this makes many get tired when it comes to trading, because they cannot trade many pairs or indexes, because it is tiresome to analyze the market each and every day, each and every pair or each and every index. Some want to say, oh, I just want to trade only V75. Some just want to trade to master and to trade step index or GPP USD, Euro USD. There is a lot of story outside there. But if you follow them closely, it is because it is tiresome. It is better to stick with a few pairs or few indexes and make money than to trade every pair. And this is why the TFX company, we are saving the traders, because with our system, manual system, it confirms what you know, then it will be easy to trade every opportunity that is in the market. You can't tell me we have 28 pairs. We have a lot of index, more than 20, my friend, and you haven't seen any trade the whole day. What does that tell you? You don't know what you're trading. It is tiresome. I know how to analyze a lot of pairs and indexes, but thank God for our system. It's very easy, and our system confirm our entry. I know some have been surprised to hear that we don't want to know where the market is going, but we are mastering our strategy so that our system can confirm our strategy, then we enter into the market. And the strategy is very simple, just to give the hint before anything else. Now, in this market, there is a movement, but to be honest, it is a consolidating market. When will we sell this market and when will we buy this market? And we have saying we have break the rules, or what people have been saying, because so many years. And it is not about what people says, it's what you see in the market. It is what you see in the chart. This chart, a lot of people are making money with this same chart. And the same chart, a lot of people are losing money with the same chart because they are seeing things differently. So it is not all about knowing where the trend is going, because the market does not respect the charts. The market does not respect the trend. The market also, we all know the market is controlled by the activities that are done outside there, whether it is banks, big companies, blah, 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 oils, all industries that controls the data that controls these candles, because these candles are moved by data of what is be done behind the chart that you are seeing. This is the transaction and the business that are doing there by the banks and are done also by companies, things like that. So you can't tell that maybe, let's say, maybe the USD is strong, the dollar is strong because of the transaction that are going through. You can't tell how long, all right? Because something can come in and change. The business, the deal outside there can change, but how will you know which strategy that exact work in the Forex market? Let me show something here. According to our strategy, I will give you a hint here. This is our previous lower low, for instance, higher low for if this market was going up, and this is our BOS. The BOS is here. All right, and the market went all the way to this area, and then the market changed the direction and became a downtrend. This is the only place that we want to master. Let me show you only the first where you are starting the trade, and this candle, we must draw the exact zone. You are not supposed to exaggerate or to think, I thought maybe this trade. No, if this candle, it is the one that caused this reversal, you are supposed to draw it as you have been reading from so many people about the last candle after the reversal. The breakout candle, we have already learned about the candle breaking the previous low and then again close below with the body, then that is the change of character, or that is a BOS. All right, some will call this the change of character. Now it's a down trade from out trade, up trade, sorry. Some will tell you again, if this was our POI and we have broke the inducement, the first inducement, which is this one, then that is a choke. All right, that is the choke. Some will tell you, no, we don't follow the minor inducement, we go for major inducement, which is this one. Then after this break of this major inducement, then that also it is a choke. Then also this one is a lower high or a higher low, it can also be a major inducement. So this is where people get confused. Which one exactly it is a minor inducement, which one is a medium inducement, and which one is a major inducement. So this this is what got a lot of traders get confused, because sometimes someone may be sharing the video, will show you this one, some will show you this one, so you don't know exactly, but all they know, this is the inducements, this is major inducement, can be also the lower high, blah blah. So we'll show you on our VP what exactly is this. Now let me show you something here that is very, very important. This is where there is a BOS, or the choke, the change of character. And this one here, it's our engineer. When the market was going up, we were expecting, if it's still a buy trend, we were expecting to buy this market at this point. This is our engineer, and I will share with you why that is our engineer. Now, if the market break our major, let me delete this one, because this is our major now, our major inducement. After the BOS of this one, we are going back to see which was the cause of this inducement, this breakout, and if we have, listen carefully, if we have an order block there so that we can draw our order block. As you can see, and in our market, we have 4 things that we are looking for. We have extreme, we have the engineer liquidity, and we have a medium structure where we get where the market can reverse. And we also have the small or the 50-50 place. We always call this area a 50-50 area, which is a minor pullback or a minor inducement. So as you can see, this is our extreme. The engineer is always close. It's always close. Let me show you. Let me zoom this so that anyone can see. This candle break the previous high. So this one become our, you can see, this one become our engineer liquidity. All right. So which one is the next? You can see it here. And one thing we do confirm, it is the highest point. It is the highest point. For instance, there is a small break of minor structure here. There is another break for minor structure here. All right. So we don't just check for this inducement because this is an inducement. We will go to see the cause of this again breakout of this minor inducement. And don't forget, we are not dealing with minors. We are dealing with majors. Are you getting my point? We are not trading minors. We are not trading the minor inducement or pullback. We are trading 4 of them. Number one, it is extreme. The other one, it is the engineer and the medium structure, which is here. And also the minor one, there is somewhere we'll trade the minor. This is why I'm telling you, it is a long course, but it will help you a lot because our system makes things easier. So let us go now to our medium. You can see this one break the previous high. That one, again, it is our medium structure. All right, this is our medium structure. And if we want to draw the minor structure now, we are going to draw it at this point, not here. This is, you can see it has covered all. Let me show something here. Let me draw it correctly because it must be drawn in a corrective way. Sorry. We must cover the whole candle, that place again. So if we want to cover our minor, this is a minor pullback, then again we can cover that minor pullback. And this is this candle, the lowest candle body and wick. We can include all because that is how we are supposed to draw this thing. Let me now show you something. This is SMC trap because after this small BOS, some will say this is an order block. They will set their sell limit at this place, then they hit their stop loss and the market dropped down. We go to our medium one again. The market came, some draw their sell limit, again set their sell limit here, then the market hit their stop loss and went to our engineer liquidity, then tested this area, then boom, the market went down. For us, we are risking only 1, and when it go fast is 2, but that is very rare. We don't trade this minor. All right, guys, we don't trade this minor. We only trade the major inducement or area that caused the break of the previous lower low or lower high, or the previous of our major inducement. And if we look back here, this one can be the cause here. This one and this one, it is the cause of this breakout. When the market was at this place, we won't consider this one was our minor structure, our minor pullback here. And there is an order block at this point. I do believe you are seeing it because some are SMC and ICT traders. So they're seeing there is an order block here, very clear. To us, we don't count this one because it's too close to our major inducement or our major lower low. Okay, guys? The second thing, now we would have considered this as our medium, this one is our engineer, and this one is our extreme. Are you getting my point? But because the market came to this area and broke and came to this area, now this one became our 50-50 area. The other one, it is engineer, and this one now our extreme. You won't get this in just one video, so we can delete this one. I just want to show you how we read the market and how we get into the market. So this one was our 50-50 as usual, and they hit our stop loss, but we enter into this market. We'll show you even the candle formation of how we enter or how we take our trades or how we confirm before taking trades. So after getting into this area, we sell from this area. Again, if the market would have hit our stop loss, we would have recovered them at this point, and that is almost 100%. Very different with how people trade. For us, let me show something here. For us, we have three major areas that we are waiting the market to come on our ways after the break of the structure or after the change of character, the choke. But for us, we don't mind about the chokes because we have nothing to do with where the market is, but to see our strategy being confirmed with the market so that we can buy this market. For instance, this area as being our 50-50, when the market break this area and hit to our engineer, it gave us also a buy opportunity, not here, but here to our extreme. All right, why? Because it has broke this one. So this is why I was telling people, we can sell and buy in the same market. So we can sell this market here at our engineer. And when this market dropped to this area, we will also buy and put our stop loss at this point. Why are we doing that? Because it has broken our 50-50 areas. And as you can see, this distance here creates a lower low. Why? Why a lower low at this point? Because there was also a break of inducement in this area, which confirmed this as our last lower low. So the break of this inducement gives us this a lower low, and that's what makes us rely on this area as our POI for buy trend. Again, listen carefully. Again, market came to our extreme area and touched, then there was a good sell. Do we have a buy trade here? Remember what I told you, we are looking for three things. When the market went to this area, there was a break of structure at this area, which caused, let me show you, it's a very simple thing, though very hard to sometimes, but video after video in our VIP will help you a lot. After the cause of this breakout, what did I tell you? We come here, this one will be our engineer, this one still remain our extreme because it was not yet mitigated. It was not yet mitigated. And this one becomes our 50-50. It's very easy because this one caused also the break of this structure, this area. There is a BOS here. So this one also becomes our 50-50 area. And being our 50-50 area, I just want you to pay attention here. Being our 50-50 because it has caused the break of structure from this price coming to our extreme, and we sell this market here. The market came to this point, and remember we say we put our take profit. If it is scalping, we put our take profit to our internal structures. So in this video, I'm just showing you the most important strategy that will help you a lot, but it is very simple when it comes to our system. This is why we want the system to confirm the strategy, but I'm sharing this video outside there to help you understand. We know what we are saying. We don't trade these histories. These are just histories, guys. This is not what we see. Some will come and draw and tell you, oh, this is a lower low, lower high, It is very simple to draw these things. But when it comes to practical, guys, you find that you don't see the market this way. Things are very different. Things are very different when it comes to market. So let us continue here. Because there is a break of structure again into this point. Where were we? We were here, all right? This point, there was a break of structure at this point. Then this area became our 50-50 because this one caused the breakout, and this one become our engineer, and this one remain our extreme. Well, why are we still calling this 50? And I will show you on our VIP. Because if the market did went far from the break, the BOS here, we don't rely with this 50-50. We come to our engineer, then extreme. This is why the market came and getting to our point, then it went and buy. At this point, it was our extreme that was mitigated once and another one here. Should we sell this market at this point? Yes. If we draw it correctly, we will wait until the market have a breakout candle, which is this one. Why? After touching this area, market create the inducement, went again to this area, all right, didn't went far, it stripped the people's stop loss, then came and broke the inducement at this area, and this is what we were waiting for. All right, this is what we were waiting for. After breaking this area, then we can sell that market. Don't get confused, guys. I'm just showing you how to read the market and to trade it easily. I know when I'm showing this, it's a very trick, but when it comes to our system, it will make things easier and you will understand more what I'm saying. All right, guys, then the market continue selling. Then the market dropped to where? To our engineer. Then it went all the way to this place. Is there a sell at this point? My friend, remember what I said. If there is a BOS, if there is a BOS at this point, if there is a BOS at this point, we go to our 50-50 area. Where is our 50-50 areas? We get our 50-50 areas to this order block. I just want you to see it correctly, because let me zoom, because I want everyone to see this order block and follow my strategy closely, because there is a BOS here for a medium one. And we say, or a major one. We say we don't trade these internals. We wait the market to break our medium here, all right, or our major, so that we can have a clear for sale. After breaking this, the major one, we went to our 50. Is there, can you see this order block here? Read this candle, guy. If you know the candle that shows the order blocks, you can tell this is the order blocks. All right, guys, and very reliable one. Then the market, then after there, where is our engineer? I told you, it is always the same thing. Let me draw it again. If this one now becomes our order block, we have another one here, which becomes our engineer and our extreme at this point. All right. This now becomes, and I always tell you, the engineer and extreme, they are very close. Check out this week, but we are drawing to this high, but this week it is what gives us our zone. So the engineer is always close to our extreme, and this is why you find that many times market does not touch your killer zone or whatever, but touch the engineer. So you must know how to spot the engineer. So this is why I'm telling you, we are going to give you the free course, guys. So this one becomes our 50-50 area on our medium. Then the market dropped. Then I just want to show you again, because I want this one to at least to help you understand something. There was another BOS. Check this, all this movement again, and there was a BOS at this movement. True or false? There is a BOS. This is a BOS. Were we supposed to buy this market at this area? No. Why? Because there was no any BOS at this point. If the market would have break this area, then this area would have given us a good buy. But there was no a buy this area, but there was a good seller this area, because the market again gave us a BOS. Where is our 50-50? This area also remain our 50-50, this area. There is no any BOS at this area. If there was a BOS at this area, we would have buy this market. So this, you work like a bank. You work opposite of what people do. Because if you continue doing what people are doing, expect the same result. If you change your mindset, and start trading like a bank, trust me, you will earn a lot. So when people were trying to buy at this point, we want to buy this market. When will we buy this market? Let me show you. It's only if there was a BOS at this area, then we would have buy this market. Let me show you now at this point. Why we sell this market? It's because after this BOS, we were expecting market to reverse to our 50-50 areas or our engineer again. This market was going at the same area. And remember, we got this sell, we got this sell again. Why we, my friend, I do believe you are seeing what I'm trying to say, though I know it's confusing a lot because they have never seen something like this, because you don't know exactly. Why am I saying we are supposed to sell this market instead of buying? Even after this BOS here, we will, where would we wait for a buy? After this BOS, at this point, we go back to our 50-50 area. This is the BOS. I want you to get it. This is the BOS, all right? This is another BOS. Let me delete this one. This is the BOS. When and where are we going to look our buy? Again, there is an order block here. 50-50 area, right? Let me draw this order block. Let me zoom, because I want people not to see like I'm exaggerating something here. You know, everyone want to confirm it. This one breaks the previous law of this candle. So this one becomes our order block. All right, guys, this one becomes our order block. You can see it very perfectly. So this becomes our area. Then there it's where the market should come. And market didn't touch our area. All right, and we accept this because market was to come and touch this and mitigate into this area, then sell, then this one again. It should be, or it would have been our engineer. Let me draw the correct one. This one will become our engineer liquidity. Where is our extreme? I told you, they always come close. Check this area, or check even from this area point here. All right, but instead of drawing there, we can draw it to this point here, to this week's, reading this candle here. There is this candle here. I will show you the importance of this candle. It's very, very important. So this one becomes our extreme again. When the market again break this area, when the market break this area, where is our 50-50 area? Then again, we shift from this area, and the area was not yet mitigated. This becomes our 50-50, or let us draw it here. Then this one becomes our engineer and extreme area. Let me show you. There is an order block here, because you must be very, very, very keen to see this order block. Let me zoom. BOS, there is an order block here, which closed above. We have an order block here, one that breaks the previous high. All right, guys. Then let's see, when the market came and mitigated this area, then the market dropped again. I want to show, don't get bold, guy. I just want you to read something here. There is another BOS at this point. All right, there is another BOS. Where is our 50-50 area? Where is our 50-50 areas? This one or this one? We go to a highest point. I'll do it correctly, the way it's supposed to be. We have it here again. All right, we have it here. Don't tell me there is something here. No, no, no. This one is the previous one. We are following here. No candle here breaks the previous high. There was no candle broke the previous high. So it's at this point. All right, guys, and this is why this is a part of manipulation, but we will down sell this market because the candle close with the body. We would have sell only when this candle close with the body below our previous, below our order block, then our stop loss at this area, then boom, again, the market mitigated this area and sell. Why is this sell is not strong? Because they are too close where our BOS is, and where our order blocks is. Now, let us jump to, let's finalize this and go to V75, and let us get into this and see what is going up if we would have sell this thing. As you can see, there is a BOS here. I want you to see this very clear. Someone, oh, my friend, so I would have buy this one because why would you buy this thing? And there was a no break of structure at this area. If I draw my line here, let me show you. If I draw my line here, in the last of this week, there is no a BOS here. If there was a BOS here, then I can buy this market because it has broke this one, and I was expecting to buy at this area where even my trade line is. I'm just drawing this one, and very easy, very simple is that, to show that here we have another block of 50-50 after break of this one. So we were expecting to buy this market here, and you can see our trend line is here. I'm telling you, this system is making things easier for you. Because after seeing this one and this breakout, and there was no breakout here, if there was a breakout, we would have weight this market into this area, and we will have buy this market perfectly. Why? Because the market would have touched our channel line here, and we would have confirmed with this order block, even with our naked eyes, because this is what I want you to do, then we can buy. So this scalping, because we have a scalping here from our yellow dotted here, we want to buy that one if we are confirming this one. But you can see after dotted, the market gives you some small pips, but we want to enter where we are 100%. We want the system to confirm our strategy. If this system would have touched this area, I would have tell you now, let us buy. Why buy? Because we have this BOS and we have another, we don't have the buy BOS, but we are relying this BOS as the cause of all these these internal breakouts. We have internal breakout. The measure of all this one, it is this area. So this area would have been so strong to buy this market. And if we were following the order flow, because this one, it's order flow, I will train you how to identify the order flow. We take all this area, the whole area. If we use the order flow here, then this indicator tells us there was a good scalping buy. Remember, I talked about this green or yellow dotted, and I told you this one is for scalping. So we would have scalped here and set our stop loss at this point. So following order flow, there is an entry. Following the just order blocks at this point, there is no entry. So there is entry here if we follow the order blocks. So this is why I'm saying our system should confirm our strategy. And I am free now to teach people and to train people so that it can be very easier for you. You will know when to use the order flow. You will know when to use the order blocks, exact areas that you will never fail. So this is why you need the system. Get it when we have the offer, and from next week, get ready for classes or free courses to all our VIP members. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family, and have a great weekend. Thank you.